Hey guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and today is a continuation of my World Cup series that I am going to finish no matter what happens. So today we're doing Senegal. This one's not exactly a replica of the flag, but I still think you guys would enjoy it. Also, today's video is sponsored. If you want to know more about that, that will be on later. But let's get back to what you're actually here for. And yeah, my hair just... anybody else's hair just have a mind of its own. So I'm going to start off this look by applying some yellow eyeshadow all over the lid. Only about a third of the flag of Senegal is yellow, but I really wanted to do something with yellow eyeshadow. So I'm doing it. And then to give myself a little bit more definition and make this look a little bit less like I just slapped yellow eyeshadow on, I took a medium brown eyeshadow and applied that into the crease and also blended that yellow out a little bit more. And the next part, we're gonna apply a sticky base in the shape of winged eyeliner and then apply some green glitter on top of it. If you want a better result than what I got, which, I mean, it wasn't too bad. But if you want a better result, I would get a glitter liquid like, what was it? Lit Cosmetics has one that I used a long time ago. I just didn't have it with me. So you can use something like that, and that'll give you more of a pow with your glitter. And then to tie in that red, we're gonna apply it on the inner half of that eyeliner. I also did kind of like a cat eye on the inside part. Lately, I've been liking that kind of look lately. That sentence probably didn't make any sense. But lately, I've been liking that kind of look, so I decided to include it in this one. For the star, you have two options where you can put it. You can either do it on the eyelid so it looks a little bit more like the flag, if you have that kind of space. I do not have that kind of space on my eyelid, so I decided to do it under. And it looks pretty cool, to be completely honest. I think I'm going to do something like this more often. I don't know. But literally just draw a star under the eye. Just make sure that the under eye area is really hydrated when you do that. Lately my skin has been extra dry, so this wasn't exactly the greatest of ideas, but it is what it is. And then lately, because I've been addicted to false lashes, we're gonna apply some. So I applied some false lashes. If you guys want a full video on how to do that, there'll be a video linked up in the cards. And I also topped it off with some mascara. If you want to know why I do this the opposite way normal people do, that video is there for you. Also, don't forget to really coat your bottom lashes just so that they stand out a little bit more. So this is the finished eye look, and I am actually really happy with this one. I don't get to do a lot of yellow makeup looks, so I like it. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments, but I'm loving this one. Alright, I'll stop. Maybe. And then for our final touch, I'm just going to apply a nude colored lipstick. And this one is Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. I actually like it a lot. I think I like it a little bit more than the liquid lipstick, but don't quote me on that. But before I show you the final look of my hair down, I have a merch store. I am the one sponsoring this video. Shocker. If you guys want to support the channel, get some cool merch. I have stickers and hoodies and t-shirts and stuff. The link will be in the description down below. But this is the final look with my third day hair. I gotta say, I'm loving my hair right now. It's weird, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did by giving me a big thumbs up, or you can tell me in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so YouTube knows you mean it. And hopefully they'll actually send you the notifications. You know, you never know now. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!